Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a simple yet delicious pancake recipe which you can prepare in just 5 minutes. No need to buy pancake mix, we can make it at home. Let's get started. Let's make a batter. For that I have taken a cup of milk and a half tablespoon of vinegar. Instead of milk and vinegar, you can use buttermilk also. Just a cup is fine. Mix it well, let it sit for a few seconds. Milk has started to curdle up. Add an egg. One teaspoon of vanilla essence. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix all of this well. Let's add the dry ingredients. 1 cup of plain flour, also called maida. Baking powder half a tablespoon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine all the ingredients well. Batter has come to a right consistency. Take a big mouth jar or a cup. Pour the mixture into the jar. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour a little batter to make mini pancakes. Cook for a minute or until slightly golden. Flip and cook for 30 more seconds. Do not overcook. Add a dollop of butter. Drizzle some maple syrup. There you go. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Happy cooking!